Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. आज global cues are positive क्योंकि Asian equity markets are rising and dollar index is lower. US bond yields are lower as well. कल जो US inflation report था, that clearly indicated that over the next few months, that is by the year end, we could see a gradual deceleration in the US inflation, especially on the core inflation. That is what the market is penciling in. जिसके कारण we saw a decline in the US bond yields. Now the question is, will it impact the Fed stance? Now it's unlikely. So what can happen is, like, the market is still penciling in a 50% chance of a hike of 25 bips by December. But that may not happen, and the Fed can simply stay put at the current levels because Fed के हिसाब से they want to see the clear trajectory of the US inflation, that it will be around 2% or lower. So for that, they may like to just stay at the current levels for some time, possibly into the first quarter of next calendar year. क्योंकि US में various reports are suggesting जो pandemic era savings था consumers का, that is getting run down quite rapidly, and much before the year end we could see that savings get largely run down. At the same time, there are reports of rising delinquencies at the consumer level. Credit card ho, student loans ho, mortgages ho, etc. उसमें defaults are rising. So basically, the economy is getting stressed because of this tight monetary policy, high interest rates, etc. So just obviously the Fed will be paying attention to that. इसके लिए it is quite likely that the Fed will be in a pause for the remainder of this year until some kind of a crisis erupts. So that's the reason why currency market में volatility is not coming back, because जब तक central bank का expectation में dramatic change नहीं आएगा, it is difficult to get major volatility in the currency markets, be it dollar index, be it dollar against other currencies, and definitely be it USDINR. USDINR where things are stuck, it is now stuck between 82.80 नीचे or 83.10.20 on the up. So this 40 paisa range, now this range will definitely break. We have seen these 40 paisa range form in USDINR and then they break. So this will break as well. The question is which way. For it to break on the upside, it looks a little difficult for the simple reason that we have seen RBI intervention heavily. क्योंकि अगर ये 83.20 के ऊपर break करेगा, then we are also talking about a possible break to an new all-time high. और जहाँ पे RBI has drawn a very strong line that they don't want the USDINR to break out above 83.20, 83.30 levels on the spot. So then the market is likely to break down below 82.80 and head towards 82.50 or lower levels. But for that to happen, the global factors need to be supportive. So we have to see whether this cooling off in the US yields becomes a trend and that takes the dollar index down or not and helps the USDINR. But ये एक situation बन सकता है. तो फिलहाल के लिए the trading is simple. Any dip towards 82.85, 82.90 on the spot basis, you can buy. Stop loss of course रहेगा 80 के नीचे on the spot levels. 82-80 के नीचे sustain हो रहा है, exit your longs, because वहां पे फिर एक sell off दिख सकता है towards 82.50 और lower levels. ऊपर में 83.10, 83.20 on the spot are major resistances. So if you're going short when the dollar rupee rallies there, maintain a stop above the all-time highs, that is comfortably above 83.30 on the spot basis. तो वहां पे आप पोजिशनल भी कर सकते हो, बट पोजिशनल शॉर्ट अगर करते हो तो 83.30 के ऊपर स्टॉप रखना जरूरी है. Now coming to the cross currencies, EURINR में आज फोकस रहेगा because of the ECB meeting, but ECB meeting का outcome will come after we close. तो मतलब इसका गैप अप गैप डाउन ही होगा कल EURINR में. एक्सपेक्टेशन इज मार्केट इज इवनली स्प्लिट बिटवीन अ हाइक एंड नो हाइक. तो इसका मतलब आज वॉलेटिलिटी तगड़ा रहेगा आफ्टर वी क्लोज. सो EURINR विल हैव अ लार्ज गैप अप ओपनिंग और अ गैप डाउन ओपनिंग. इसके लिए बी केयरफुल विथ योर पोजिशंस ओवरनाइट, बिकॉज वहां पे ऑप्शंस तो है नहीं. So we have to carry positions in the future. So either you don't carry positions, or if you are carrying, keep a small position, not large. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.